Hey everyone, if you want to use AnyDesk on Windows 11 in 2026 for remote access, screen sharing, or file transfer, you're in the right place. In this guide, I'll show you the complete step-by-step setup and usage. First, install AnyDesk on your Windows 11 computer. Download it from the official website and run the installer. Next, open AnyDesk after installation. You'll see your unique AnyDesk address on the main screen. Now take a moment to understand the interface. The main screen shows your address, and below it is the field where you enter a remote device ID. To connect, enter the remote AnyDesk address and click Connect. So this sends a request to the other computer. On the remote device, click Accept to allow access. Without approval, the session won't start. Once connected, you can control the remote PC, open files, browse the internet, or fix issues remotely. It works just like you're sitting in front of it. You can also transfer files easily using drag and drop or the file manager. This is useful for sending documents and media. If you want remote access anytime, enable unattended access in settings. This is helpful for managing your PC remotely. If the connection is slow, reduce display quality for smoother performance. So lower settings can improve responsiveness. When you're finished, disconnect the session from the toolbar. This safely ends the remote connection. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use AnyDesk on Windows 11. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.